Wow, I'm so excited. What about you? Today's topic is why are some magnets stronger than others? So why are some magnets stronger than others? That's what we are going to be learning. I know you're just like I've been learning about magnet. Now you know a lot about magnets, but remember our topic is why are some magnets stronger than others? The strength of a magnet has to do with the size of its magnetic field. Not the size of the magnet, but the size of the magnetic field. A strong magnetic field will attract things that are farther away than a weak magnetic field will. So, the strength of a magnet is in the size of the magnetic field. So, a strong magnetic field will attract things that are farther away than a weak magnetic field will. Wow, can you see this magnet? What can you see in the magnet? I can see the magnet's magnetic field. Remember, every magnet has a north and a south pole, and you can see the magnetic field of the magnet. Do you know that magnets make some things move without touching them? They also attract or repel other magnets. Wow! This is a magnet and these are paper clips. Without this magnet touching these paper clips, it gets attracted to the magnet. Do you know the reason? So magnets are permanent magnets, while other magnets can also be what? Temporary magnets. A permanent magnet will always stay a magnet. Wow! Do you know that some magnets are temporary magnets? So we don't only have permanent magnets, we also have temporary magnets. They become magnetic for a short time, but then their magnetic field go away. So temporary magnets don't last for a long time, unlike permanent magnets. Now, let's look at the difference between temporary magnet and permanent magnet. If you take a close look at the picture below, by your left hand side, you have the temporary magnet, and at the other side, you have the permanent magnet. The permanent magnet, for example, a bar magnet, is far stronger than the temporary magnet, which is an electromagnet. Do you know the reason? Because permanent magnet will always last longer, stay for a long period of time, and you can use permanent magnet to generate a temporary magnet. Unlike a temporary magnet, after it stays for a while, it loses its magnetic field. Wow, I know you learned a lot of things today, and I am glad you are so excited now. So for today, I'm putting you through some questions on day one and day two. And the first question says, look at the picture, trace the magnetic field, circle the object inside the magnetic field, circle a line to the magnet that each object will be attracted. So look at the picture, the first picture and the second picture. You can see the paper clips and the screw. So circle them, then you can do others by yourself. The other part says which magnet has the bigger magnetic field? The answer is A. Look at it very well. It has the bigger magnetic field. Since number 2 says which magnet will attract more objects? The A. The picture in A will attract more objects. Can you see the magnet in A attracting more objects? Now, I'm going to allow you to attempt other questions by yourself. Please, can you do me a favor? Go through all the topics that you have done previously and make sure you check your activity completion. So, check and see if you are skipping any subject. You go back again and do them again. You know I love you and you remain my young scientist. Bye for now from your beautiful Miss Irene.